Welcome to our video on the intriguing world of AI trading. Today we're diving into a topic that many aspiring traders grapple with. Why making your first $100,000 in AI trading can feel like climbing a mountain, while subsequent earnings often come much easier. The journey to financial success in trading is filled with both challenges and opportunities. When you first step into the realm of AI trading, you're met with a steep learning curve. Understanding algorithms, market trends, and risk management can be overwhelming. Many traders face emotional hurdles too, as the pressure to succeed can lead to impulsive decisions. However, once you navigate these initial challenges and build a solid foundation, the opportunities become more apparent. The key is to recognize that the first milestone is often the hardest. With experience, you'll develop a sharper intuition and better strategies, making it easier to replicate your success. So, join us as we explore the intricacies of AI trading and uncover the secrets to transforming your financial journey. AI trading, or algorithmic trading powered by artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing the financial markets. At its core, AI trading involves using advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze vast amounts of data and execute trades automatically. Unlike traditional trading methods, which often rely on human intuition and experience, AI trading leverages technology to make data-driven decisions at lightning speed. The key components of AI trading include data collection, pattern recognition, and predictive analytics. These algorithms can sift through historical market data, news articles, and social media sentiment to identify trends and potential trading opportunities. The technology behind these algorithms is sophisticated, utilizing neural networks and deep learning to improve their accuracy over time. One of the most significant advantages of AI trading is its ability to analyze data far faster than any human trader could. While a human might take minutes or even hours to evaluate market conditions, AI can process and react to information in milliseconds. This speed not only enhances trading efficiency, but also allows for more informed decision-making, ultimately leading to better financial outcomes. Understanding these differences is crucial for anyone looking to thrive in the modern trading landscape. Starting your journey in AI trading can be both exciting and daunting, primarily due to the common challenges that new traders face. One of the most significant obstacles is the steep learning curve associated with understanding complex algorithms, data analysis, and market dynamics. For many beginners, grasping the technical aspects of AI trading can feel overwhelming, leading to frustration and confusion. In addition to the technical challenges, emotional and psychological barriers often come into play. The pressure to succeed can lead to anxiety, causing traders to make impulsive decisions or second-guess their strategies. Overcoming these emotional hurdles is crucial for maintaining a clear mindset and making rational choices in the fast-paced trading environment. Moreover, capital and risk management are vital considerations for anyone starting in AI trading. New traders must understand how much capital to allocate and how to manage risks effectively to avoid significant losses. Developing a solid risk management strategy early on can help safeguard your investments and build confidence as you navigate the complexities of AI trading. Recognizing and addressing these initial hurdles is essential for setting the stage for long-term success. Establishing a solid trading foundation is crucial for anyone looking to succeed in AI trading. The first step is to prioritize education and continuous learning. Familiarizing yourself with the fundamentals of trading, market analysis, and AI technology will empower you to make informed decisions. Online courses, webinars, and trading communities can provide valuable insights and keep you updated on industry trends. Next, developing a robust trading strategy is essential. A well-defined strategy outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and specific criteria for entering and exiting trades. This structured approach helps you stay disciplined and reduces the likelihood of emotional decision-making. Remember, a successful trading strategy is not static. It should evolve based on your experiences and market conditions. Additionally, utilizing demo accounts is a fantastic way to practice your trading skills without risking real money. These simulated environments allow you to test your strategies, familiarize yourself with trading platforms, and gain confidence in your decision-making abilities. By combining education, a solid trading strategy, and hands-on practice through demo accounts, you'll be well on your way to building a strong foundation for your AI trading journey. Experience plays a pivotal role in making trading easier after achieving that first $100,000 milestone. As traders accumulate experience, they develop better decision-making skills, allowing them to analyze situations more effectively and respond to market changes with confidence. This enhanced judgment often leads to more profitable trades and a greater understanding of when to take risks or exercise caution. Learning from past mistakes is another crucial aspect of gaining experience. Every trader faces setbacks, but those who reflect on their errors can turn them into valuable lessons. By analyzing what went wrong and adjusting their strategies accordingly, traders can avoid repeating the same mistakes, ultimately leading to improved performance over time. Moreover, familiarity with market trends significantly enhances trading success. Experienced traders can recognize patterns and shifts in the market that may not be apparent to newcomers. This insight allows them to anticipate movements and make informed decisions based on historical data and current events. In essence, the journey beyond the first $100,000 is marked by a deepening understanding of the market, refined skills, and a more strategic approach, all of which contribute to a smoother trading experience. After achieving initial success in trading, leveraging technology can significantly simplify and enhance your trading experience. Advanced trading tools and platforms offer a range of features that streamline the trading process, from real-time market data to customizable dashboards. These tools empower traders to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently, reducing the time spent on analysis and execution. Automation plays a crucial role in modern trading strategies. By utilizing automated trading systems, traders can set specific parameters for their trades, allowing the software to execute orders on their behalf. This not only saves time but also helps eliminate emotional decision-making, ensuring that trades are executed based on predefined criteria rather than impulsive reactions to market fluctuations. Additionally, data analytics can dramatically improve trading outcomes. By analyzing historical data and market trends, traders can identify patterns and correlations that inform their strategies. Advanced analytics tools can provide insights into market behavior, helping traders to anticipate movements and optimize their approaches. In essence, embracing technology not only simplifies the trading process, but also enhances overall performance, allowing traders to focus on refining their strategies and achieving greater success. Once traders reach their first $100,000, scaling their operations becomes a key focus for continued growth and success. One of the most effective strategies for scaling is reinvesting profits. By channeling earnings back into trading, traders can increase their capital base, allowing for larger positions and potentially higher returns. This reinvestment strategy not only accelerates growth, but also reinforces a commitment to long-term success. Diversifying trading strategies is another essential step in scaling up. By exploring various asset classes, such as stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, traders can spread their risk and enhance their chances of better returns. Implementing different trading styles, like day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, can also provide a balanced approach to navigating market volatility. Additionally, AI trading offers the potential for passive income, allowing traders to benefit from automated strategies without constant monitoring. By utilizing AI algorithms to execute trades based on predefined criteria, traders can free up time while still generating income. This combination of reinvesting profits, diversifying strategies, and leveraging technology positions traders for sustainable growth and financial independence as they scale their operations. In this video, we've explored the fascinating world of AI trading, highlighting both the challenges and advantages that come with it. We discussed how the initial hurdles, such as the steep learning curve and emotional barriers, can be daunting for new traders. However, we also emphasized that with experience, education, and the right strategies, these challenges can be overcome, leading to greater success in the long run. Persistence and continuous learning are crucial in this journey. As you navigate the complexities of AI trading, remember that every setback is an opportunity to grow and refine your approach. Embracing technology and leveraging advanced tools can further simplify your trading experience and enhance your outcomes. Please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Like this video to show your support, and share it with fellow traders who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can build a community of informed and successful traders ready to tackle the exciting challenges of AI trading. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.